Hello friends, today we will learn how to make the wine lees. We can make the wine lees by tap on this arrow here. Now tap on these four arrows here. Now tap on the wine maker here, wine maker, and now tap on this searching icon here. Here are the different gadgets we can make these things. For example, rose wine, for example, rainbow container here, and here is the wine lees gadget. We can make the wine lees by select this gadget. Now tap on save. Now winemaker level 3 gadget, you can now produce rainbow fruit needed, and we have already selected this wine lees. For example, we remove it. And now you can make the wine lees by chance. So thanks for watching. Happy farming. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.